You may know me from programs such as The Crying Clown, Hey, the Clown's Back, or Who's That Clown? I just want you to spare a thought for the old Dyson Electrolux hoovers this year. When Christmas time comes, it's a sad, sad day of the year for these hoovers, as they watch new, cordless hoovers enter the homes that they used to live in. These hoovers will have nothing to hoover up, no one to empty their bag, no one to look after them. They will just be kicked out into the street. Old Lily Di and old Henry haven't seen a good Christmas now for 4 years. They just sit there night after night, whether it's cold, wet or raining. No one to care for them. But you could help them this Christmas by giving £2 to £3 a month. This will give a hoover a new life, maybe a new home, a new family to look after it. Maybe even sent abroad to someone that's never even seen a hoover. How happy this would make them this Christmas. So please, please spare a thought for these poor abandoned hoovers this Christmas. Thank you.